Hey there. Have you just finished editing a CapCut video that now you want to save on your Android's gallery or iPhone's Photos app? In this guide, we're going to show you how to export them to your device's camera roll or storage. So for that, launch CapCut on your iPhone or Android. Go to the project that you want to save into your device. Now, what you need to do is just tap on Export. If you're using an Android phone, just press Done. You will find that file on your device's gallery. Now, however, especially if you're using an iPhone, after the export process is done, swipe left the sharing options at the bottom. Tap on Other, swipe up the screen, and then just save this video. You'll find your edited finished video on your iPhone's Photos app. But if you're using a Pro filter with your video, you won't find the saving option unless you upgrade to Pro. So best you can do so you don't lose the edited video is to just tap on this cross icon and the entire edited video will be saved as your project on your CapCut app. Let us know in the comments if you face any problem while saving your video. Thanks for watching.